Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malinga Sise of Urban Harvest Organic Farm. For all of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am so grateful. And for those who are still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited because we are going to deworm our birds organically. Most of you have been asking me, please make us a video how you deworm your birds using the papaya seeds. So today we shall use the papaya seeds, but I'm also going to add in some garlic with the papaya seeds and give them in the drinking water. As a farmer, you must know that worms are really so bad in this project because it will make your birds lose a lot of weight. Some of you are complaining that your birds are losing weight and then later they are dying, but there are no any other signs of diseases. These worms really make our birds to lose weight. Actually, it can even drop in the production. Personally, I got affected by this in the beginning when I started with layers because I remember I used to see droppings of birds with worms in it. And you know, I was really so green about the whole thing. So with the poultry farming, sometimes you have to go an extra mile to make sure your birds are okay. Now with these papaya seeds, you have to start preparing it early enough before the day you're going to give it to the birds. Because me here, I started I think 2 weeks ago when I was getting the papaya seeds, cleaning it, drying it, and then later you have to pound it or grind it and give it to the birds. But I also sometimes give it when it is fresh, but however giving it when it is fresh sometimes becomes expensive because you will need a lot of it for all the birds to get it, because when it is fresh like that, some birds will end up finishing it for the rest. So that is why I would prefer you dry it up, make it in powder form and mix in their drinking water. And then also we shall also not waste the papaya peels. I will also chop it and give it to the birds. That is what I normally do. So for today, stay tuned till the end. But if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be so grateful. See you right back. So as I told you earlier on, we are going to deworm our birds organically. But I remember a few days ago, like I think 10 days now, I showed you how you can also use charcoal and aloe vera in deworming your birds and in treating of chronic diarrhea in your poultry farms. So if you're going to use charcoal, don't use charcoal alone. Make sure you also add there some aloe vera, just the way I showed you last time. So today we are going to use the papaya seeds, and I'm also going to add in some garlic, okay? But first I will show you. I will also give them the fresh ones. For those who maybe have few number of birds, you can give them the fresh ones. But if you have so many number of birds, make sure you dry these papaya seeds like a week before the day of using. Then you pound it or you grind it, then you give it in the drinking water. But I want us also to add in some garlic to make it like more effective. I don't mean that the papaya seeds cannot work alone, but I want us to mix it with this garlic. Please let us use the way I've said it. Let us use the papaya seeds plus the garlic and mix it in their drinking water. Now, so this is our papaya seeds, which I have been drying for the last 2 weeks. This is what I'm going to grind and give it to the birds. And then this is also the garlic that we are going to use. We shall use these 3 balls of garlic. We shall mix it together and we give it to the birds. And this is the papaya that we are going to cut right now. Let me first start by cleaning it. We shall cut it and then we shall give the fresh seeds to the birds. I want you guys to see if these birds will really take the fresh seeds. And then the peels, I'm going to clean it very well. The peels also, I'm going to chop it and give to the birds. So let us first wash it. Let me first remove this and this, put it like this, then this. So make sure you always wash your papaya very well. Because also this you know, I bought this from the market, so I'm not sure how they have been handling it. So make sure you wash it. I don't think it is advisable to disinfect it. good. Just get up. So pour off this water. This is how I normally first cut it. So this is our papaya. I will not give them the fruits. The fruits we are going to consume it, but I will give them the seeds and the peel also. Because this one shall consume it. So let me actually do it like this. Let me not sit. Your hands must be clean when you're doing this, and you must use clean things because since you're also going to eat it. So these ones I'm going to give it to the kids. They are going to eat it. Then we are going to chop the peels, and then we shall give it to the birds. Melissa?
Yes?
Come and get this. Take to the house. You bring me back that tray, yeah?
Okay.
So this one, we are going to use it tomorrow. Because the main thing is not to show you this, but is to show you the papayas, how to make the papaya seed. So let me put this one here. Now, if you're going to dry the seeds, you're going to remove all these things. You will remove it all like this, and then you wash it. Then you put it under the sun. And I remember I dried mine under the sun for close to 1 week, but I did it in bits. So you're going to remove all these seeds, wash it very well, and then you put it under the sun and make sure it is dry properly well. That is when it will be able to grind very well. But for today, I'm going to also show you that if you have few number of birds, you can also give them the seeds when it is fresh like this. Some people do blend the seeds when it is fresh like this, but me, I normally give it fresh like this. Whenever I eat the papaya at my home, I will cut this into smaller pieces. Actually, let's do it. cut it like this and give the seeds. That is if I'm not yet ready to deworm the buds. So make sure that whenever you as a poultry farmer, whenever you've eaten papaya, never waste anything. Give them the peelings. It's very good for them. It also helps them in the stomach. And then also the seeds. If you're not yet ready to prepare the powder, just take it to the farm. They will enjoy it a lot. So that is what we are going to do right now. And trust me, these birds are going to just fight for this. Someone might ask me, how often do you deworm the birds? Please, if you can deworm these birds every month, just do it. Make sure you get the papaya seeds and deworm the birds every month. And for those who are going to use the charcoal and the aloe vera, it is all okay. With poultry farming, you will have to work hard to get results. So after this, we are going to take this to the farm first. So this is what we have. Someone advised me that whenever I'm taking something for these birds, I must put it in a red, something which is red. So we're going to do like this. Let me add in some, because we shall put in different points. Add this. So this is how I normally give these birds these papaya peelings. Always do like this. So whenever I eat papaya at my home, this is what I do. And also help in the deworming of the birds. So let us take this to our birds. Let us now prepare our ingredients of the day. The other one, I just wanted you to see how you can also like deworm them using the fresh peels and the fresh seeds. So we are going to use this machine. It is the one I used last time for grinding our charcoal. You all remember very well. So let us put it here. But make sure your seeds are dry. This is really dry. If you can see, it is really very, very dry. So let us put it inside here. Let me also prepare our garlic ready. Someone is going to ask, for how long are you supposed to deworm the birds? When you're going to deworm your birds, make sure that you deworm them at least for 3 consecutive days. So I'm going to deworm them today. I have other papaya seeds already drying. I'm also going to use it tomorrow, then the next day. So I've put all the three, I don't know, I call it balls or what. I put all of them here, and I'm going to blend this one also. But let us start by grinding this, our papaya seeds. Let's first take this to the machine. Wow, it has come out very well, guys. Wow, it has a nice scent, eh? I like the scent. Let's do it. So, let us take it. So this is our papaya seed powder. Wow. Sure, it has a nice scent, eh? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the blender. I'm going to put this in the blender, and then I'm going to put in some water. Then I put in all my garlic. Trust me, even if the birds have worms like what, it will disappear immediately. Guys, I really want us to follow these herbal remedies very well, because I've started receiving testimonies from most of you who are already using these herbal remedies, and they are really so happy how the herbal remedies are working for them. So for some of you who are not yet believing in these herbal remedies, I already have testimonies coming from most of you out there who are using these herbal remedies. And make sure we be consistent in using these herbal remedies. Me here, I really don't use any medicine, any modern medicine outside these herbal remedies, apart from maybe the vaccination that I did with my layers. But anything outside that, I'm out. So We are going to blend this, and we shall now give it to the birds. So let us take this. Wow, I think this is now enough. Let me show you what we have. This is what we have. Guys, trust me, this is the most powerful dewormer, So, this is what we have. Now after that, guys, please let us follow whatever I'm giving you. You will really like it, So I will give this to both the local birds and the exotic layers. Guys, see the juice. So I'm so concentrated. And I really said we should give this for 3 consecutive days. Let me cover this. And I take it to the farm. So let us take this to the farm. So for today, that is all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching. But all I want to say is, please, let us really try to be consistent in using these herbal remedies, and let us use these herbal remedies just the way I'm giving it here. Please try to follow it and give it to your birds the same way I'm giving it to you, because I have used it and I've seen the benefits of using them, and now so many of you are really giving me testimonies how good these herbal remedies are helping you. So please, I want everyone out there, let us really embrace the use of these herbal remedies. In that way, we shall really enjoy poultry farming, and we shall be able to cut on some of the cost in our farms. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for loving me. But if you're still new, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you never miss out any upload. Share this video, comment in the comment section down below, and I will be so grateful. See you next time. Love you all. Bye bye.